Hi, everyone. Are you feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or weighed down by life's challenges? If you're finding it hard to cope with everything on your plate, you're not alone. Stress and emotional baggage can make even the simplest tasks feel daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to help you find relief. In today's video, I'll share how our emotion code healing sessions can help you clear those overwhelming feelings and regain a sense of peace and calm in your life. Feeling overwhelmed often comes from trapped emotions and negative energy that accumulate over time. These emotions can create energetic blocks, leading to stress, anxiety, and a sense of being stuck. But what if I told you there's a way to clear those blocks and start feeling lighter, more balanced, and in control? The emotion code is a powerful energy healing technique designed to identify and release trapped emotions that might be contributing to your stress and overwhelm. These trapped emotions are like invisible obstacles that disrupt the natural flow of your energy, affecting your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. By clearing these blocks, you can experience a deep sense of relief and a return to inner peace. To help you on your journey to relief, I'm offering a 3-session remote healing package using the emotion code. You don't need to travel anywhere. These sessions are conducted remotely, allowing you to receive the healing from the comfort of your home. Emotion code sessions. Each session is tailored to identify and release the emotional blocks that are causing your overwhelm. We'll go deeper with each session to create lasting change. 3 powerful sessions. The package includes 3 sessions designed to provide you with a thorough, holistic approach to clearing your emotional baggage. Text overlay? Book now at my website, www.reikihealingdistance.com, link in description too. So, why choose emotion code healing? Unlike other stress relief methods, the emotion code targets the root cause of your overwhelm, trapped emotions. By clearing these blocks, you're not just masking the symptoms, you're creating a lasting, positive shift in your energy and mindset. Clients who have experienced our emotion code sessions report feeling lighter, more balanced, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. Imagine what you could achieve if you weren't weighed down by stress and negative energy. How to book your sessions. Are you ready to start feeling better? Booking your healing package is easy. Just visit the website, link in description, and you'll find all the details to book your 3-session emotion code healing package. I'll be with you every step of the way, guiding you through the sessions and helping you release those emotional burdens. If you're ready to take control of your emotional health and find relief from feeling overwhelmed, I encourage you to book your healing package today. It's time to let go of what's holding you back and start experiencing life with a sense of calm and clarity. If you're ready to take control of your emotional health and find relief from feeling overwhelmed, I encourage you to book your healing package today. It's time to let go of what's holding you back and start experiencing life with a sense of calm and clarity. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on energy healing and well-being. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm here to support you on your journey to inner peace and balance, wishing you all a day filled with calm and positivity.